Excel, what I see is these are called by ribbons in 2007 and above. So if I'm using 2007 or I'm using 2010 ribbons, so I'll be able to see ribbons. We can see something like home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. If I want to work with VBA, if I want to play with macros, the ribbon that I require is something called developer, which is by default not active my Excel application. So if I want to activate this, what I do is I go to this office button, I go to Excel options, and there's something called in popular. If you see, this is the place where you actually start your developer ribbon. So you say show developer tab in ribbon. You click on this, I say okay. The moment I do this, if you guys notice, there's a developer ribbon out here, and this is the place where you can actually play with your macros completely. So this is something which will help you to play with your macros completely. Now when we talk about VBA macros, today if I talk about any IT application, whether it's your Excel VBA macros, whether it's your programming on .NET, whether it's your programming on Java J2EE, if you go and ask your colleagues or friends who have been into IT, or some of you might have already been very closely related to IT, I'll just simply say this, that if I go and question a programmer today, how much of the program you actually do the coding part, so anybody will not answer you more than 30%. The reason is either 70% the application has been so intelligent to program on its own, or maybe you already have set templates which you can use it and move further. So just to give you a quick example, when I started learning something like website designing, okay, you guys have using a website of Corporate Bridge as well. So I just remember the time when I actually started learning website designing. The way I used to do it is open a notepad file, type certain tags into it, something like HTML, title, /title, body /HTML, save it into a sort of a .html file, open it into a Internet Explorer, and finally after writing a very big code, I was able to see something like a small simple website. But compared to that today, if I want to make a website, I can use applications like say FrontPage, Dreamweaver, Flash. For image editing, I can use Photoshop. So everything is ready-made. What I need to do is use tools, drop tools there, and automatically a source code is generated. So even today, if I go to any website and I look at the source code, I have that HTML coding there, but nobody has gone there to actually type those HTML codings because everything is smart nowadays. If you look at Excel similarly, if I look at older applications of Excel like 1995,